How to check Prime membership in Amazon. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. But before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it really helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First, you open the Amazon app. Once you open the app, on the bottom right you'll find a menu option. Click on that, and here you'll find an account option, a shortcut. Click on that. Once you click on that, here you'll find multiple options, but you have to click on manage Prime membership. Once you click on that, here I have not taken any Amazon plan, so it's showing me a plan like this. But if you have already taken a membership, you'll be able to see all the details of your plan, that on what date is it expiring and how much, which pack did you take exactly. Once you click on this, it will show you all the details that you need to see, and this is how you check your Prime membership in Amazon. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.